Assalamu alaikum kids. I remember in science we were learning about the food groups. Okay? And we learned about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 food groups. You remember their names? The first one was carbohydrates, and then the proteins, and then the fats, and vitamins and minerals. And we also learned where all these things come from. So now you tell me, where do carbohydrates come from? Good, yes, they come from potatoes and breads. And what about protein? Where do we get our proteins from? Yes, meat and milk and eggs. And fats, yes, you're right. They come from oils and butters. And vitamins, they come from fruits and vegetables, no doubt about it. And minerals, they come from fruits and vegetables and oils and milk as well. Then we saw this pyramid which shows what we should eat more and what we should eat less. So what should we eat more? We should eat grains and cereals, and then fruits and vegetables. These two things we should eat more. So what are the things we should eat more? Grains, cereals like rice and bread. Okay? And then we should eat fruits and vegetables. So what are some of your favorite fruits and vegetables? Okay, so there are apples and oranges and banana, of course, and guava, amrud, good. And in vegetables we have spinach, right, and squash and cucumber, right? So, and I'm sure you love all these things. So we should eat all these things more. And what we should eat less? We should eat less salt and sweet things like toffees and chocolates and stuff like that. And oil, yuck. We should not have too much oil in our curry, and also spices. We should not eat too many spices. Now what happens if this carbohydrates become less and fats and sweets become more? They become more. Well, then you start getting sick. You get tired very easily. You get scared very quickly. You feel sleepy all the time. You get angry. And of course, you get sick. You start getting sick. So you need to remember this pyramid, and you need to think about the food that you have eaten today, yesterday, day before yesterday. And then you need to see what you have eaten more in last 3 days. Have you eaten more grains, cereals, fruits and vegetables? Or have you eaten more sweets and oils? Write that down. Write down the foods you have eaten in last 3 days and check for yourself what you have eaten more and what you have eaten less. And then you decide if you have eaten healthy food or not healthy food. Allah Hafiz.